NBA superstar Shawn Kemp was arrested on suspicion of being involved in a drive-by shooting. The shooting occurred, and within an hour he was booked in, which seems to me like a pretty quick investigation. And then the next morning, the prosecutor dropped all the charges. It turns out his car had been broken into a few days earlier. He tracked his phone to where the suspects were, and as he approached their car in a parking lot, they started shooting at him. He pulled out his gun and returned fire. This is why it's important to make sure you have an attorney, because the police already had probable cause. They arrested him. He took the ride, but he beat the rap because his attorney was able to explain the next day what happened. And that's why I use Right to Bear. Right to Bear legal defense is what I use and what I recommend everyone else use. Fortunately, he had an attorney. He has the means. But what are you going to do if you don't have the means to hire an attorney? Right to Bear will have your back.